A stunning transformation of a home in Ladysmith on Vancouver Island. Originally built in 1904, this 4,000 square foot home was first renovated in the 90s, but it was facing structural issues and was in need of a major energy efficiency upgrade.
We met at this property before the clients purchased the home to talk about what were the possibilities.
Among the challenges, the footprint couldn't be expanded and no exterior walls could be removed. Working within those parameters, the Alair team, led by partner Dustin Marsh, renovated the entire home, giving it a more contemporary flair.
This project was unique because everything was touched in this house, from top to bottom. Starting on the outside, just the curb appeal and all the new sidewalks and deck space that we added to it. It was a lot of fun. It was a big challenge to get everything just perfect for the family.
90% of the interior walls were adjusted to create an open living space, and millwork and storage were added in every room. Today, the homeowners were happy to show off their new space to family, friends, and those who help bring their vision to life.
It's fantastic. People get to appreciate the view. On a day like today where it's nice and sunny, we can keep the big sliding door open. People go inside, people go outside.
And it's just so lovely. It's exactly what we wanted. I'm an Alberta girl, so this is beyond any kind of dream I could have ever imagined.
Among the most spectacular features, a 19-foot folding glass door was added to expand the living area. New decks and patios now make for a great indoor-outdoor space. The kitchen features pearl gray and white oak cabinetry, satin brass hardware, and a 13.5-foot island, making it the perfect place to connect.
The space was definitely breathtaking. The ocean views with the seamless design, color palettes. We love seeing our clientele bringing in friends and family, gathering throughout the home, especially the kitchen. It definitely is the heart of the home.
And a major focal point for today's celebration, with the stunning outdoor spaces a close second.
We were recognized in June for the top renovation awards on Vancouver Island. We are the company that organized all this, but we need to give a lot of credit to the trades and the craftsmanship, the blood, sweat, and tears that went into this home. And we're so grateful for the working relationship we have with our clients.